Nadine, good
Hi
morning.
Venkat, good morning.
Hi, Soumya. Hi, Joel. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining the today's class. So coming to the today's class, first of all, let me try to ask everyone. Everyone had been completed creation of Salesforce account.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes,
What about Amini? Amini, am I audible?
Yes, but no, Venkat, I'm just searching for that link where I can do it, but I'll do it today.
Today, just I'll give you access for one more drive.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fine, Amini. Done. Today I'll give you access for one more drive. In that latest videos will be uploaded. Just you can like just you can complete the things by using that video. I think third video or fourth
Yes.
video you missed. Fourth video, I hope so you missed. I discussed
Yes.
about Salesforce logins and registrations. Today I'll provide you details about everything. Okay, after completion of the class, I'll send you the links.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
And also documents. Today I'll provide you access for everyone. Documents access also I'll provide it. After completion of the class, I'll give you access one by one. So please provide your emails everyone. Ram Mohan has provided your email and other people also please provide your emails now only.
I
Okay.
will do it
Then,
after this class. I will share the email ID.
yes, please share it after completion of the class immediately. Then I'll give you because before closing the laptop, I'll give you the access everything. I'm sharing my screen. So coming to the today's class, I'm discussing about first of all we need to log into the Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce login. Just we can give our username and password. The people who forget the password can't forget your password. Okay, like just Amini. For Amini, I'm just discussing one more time. Okay, like first we need to register in the Salesforce org Amini.
Okay.
Okay, there is separate documents for each and everything. I provided some installation part to Salesforce.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the thing. First, you need to sign up just by clicking on the link or everything. I provided the link also, Amini. After that, you'll get this icon, sign me up. Then you'll get an email
I've
notification like
gone
this.
through this video,
Okay,
Venkat.
you completed
Um,
the registrations then.
no, I did not complete it, but I did not find this document to get the link. But I've
Ah,
gone
of
through
course.
this
I
video. Yeah.
understood. I understood. Fine. Today you'll get an access for everything, for everyone. Okay.
Perfect. So I've just gone through how to register and what are the campaigns and all. I've gone through that video.
Ah, okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Amini, so kindly please do it after completion of the class. And also you'll get an access also for the documents, these particular things. Yeah.
Sure.
And some other people also not got an access and other people also will get an access after completion of the class. First time logging into the Salesforce. Okay. So what I discussed in yesterday class, in Friday class, Saturday class, anyone can give a quick recap? Just normally what you had been understood, what I had been discussed in Friday class, Saturday class, I'm sorry.
It's like CRM lifecycle, and little bit you started with that object, one of the campaign object you created, and how you can add the leads, how you can add contacts, create a new lead. So those steps were discussed. How to relate them.
Yeah, I discussed about all these particular things in uh, Saturday class. And Ram Mohan and Joel, can you please give me the quick recap? Ram Mohan, can you please give me the quick recap what I had been discussed in Saturday class? Ram Mohan. Joel, can you please give me the quick recap of the Saturday class?
Sure, Venkat. So, as Soumya stated, it's like CRM life cycle and lead creation of leads, conversion. After conversion, how the contact or the information will be transferred to. Uh, After after leads, it's conversion. So how it happens, how to email or how to call the customer.
Good, good, good. Yeah, good. And Ram Mohan, whether it is a right or wrong, no worries. Okay, this is not your testing, just only uh, everyone is speaking. If you speak something, you'll get to know. That's it. Okay, Ram Mohan, no worries, either it's a right or wrong. Okay, Ram Mohan, am I clear? Okay, fine. And let's go to Amani. Amani, what we had been discussed in first three classes, what you had been understood, Amani.
Yes, Venkat. So, in the first classes, you have given a glance of what the Salesforce is and what is Salesforce admin, what is a front end like LWC, and what is the language which we use
Okay.
like X language and all. Later, you have discussed about the cloud computing, what it is, and how to set up the Salesforce and all.
Okay. Okay, very good, very good, very good. See, just nothing, because when we speak something, then we'll get to know the things. Amani and the
Hmm.
people who are attending the classes, not only Amani, everyone, please try to complete the things on day. Okay, for example,
Sure.
today, if you missed the things, see the recording and complete it. Okay, for example, just imagine recording is not uploaded. Just message me personally. Venkat recording is not uploaded. Immediately I'll ping the team. Then the recording will be uploaded. For example, if they forgotten. Okay, just I'm saying you. Don't worry. Okay, you can ask me anything. For example, you got some query. First, you can try yourself. If you are not resolved that, then message me. Venkat, this is the query I'm facing. So please try to help me. That's it. Then I'll try to help you. First initial step is you need to do some verification by going to the document. And the next step you need to come to me. That's the thing. Yeah, just today I'm trying to start with apps, objects. Okay, first of all, what is the structure? Any application, either it's insurance application. Is the recording going on? Yeah,
Yeah.
fine. Recording is going on. Okay, whether it is insurance application, whether it's e-commerce application, banking application, the process is same. The module, first module. So whenever if any client has been approached, this is the starting steps. First, we need to create an app. After that, we need to create an objects inside the application. After that, we need to create a fields. I need to create a tab. And also I need to create a page layout. What is this? Why we need? I'll tell you each and everything details. After that, we need to create a record types also. Okay, this is the starting steps for every project. For example, just imagine, okay, this University of Arizona team has been approached you. Yeah. University of Arizona does not have a sufficient application to run. Recently, they started some jobs, because there are so many people like coming from their colleges. Okay, like every year so many graduates, post graduates are coming. Okay, so they want to innovatively start the new website of University of Arizona. It's like a consultancy. They want to supply to the multiple companies, whoever the people who completed their graduation, post graduation, they want to send their candidate to multiple companies, okay, with good job vacancies or some. Just imagine, they don't have a sufficient website for this. First of all, they approach the Salesforce. Okay, now let's start with our educational project, University of Arizona. The same type, whether it's insurance, e-commerce, banking, telecom, automobile, anything. First, we need to create an application. Okay, they provided a logo, University of Arizona logo. In real time, they will provide the logo, but here just I'm downloading the logo. Save image. Okay, just I downloaded the logo. Just everything I provided, because I'm showing here. Don't simultaneously practice. After completion of the class, take your time, relax and practice. Everyone is clear with my point? Everyone
Yes,
is clear
Venkat.
with my point. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
onwards, we are starting with app creation. Either it's insurance application, e-commerce application, banking application, same process, same screen, same start. Okay. Just here, I'm dealing with the University of Arizona. First, we need to create an application. What is an app? Okay. First of all, I need to explain about what is an app. Okay, an app. Okay, an app in Salesforce is a set of objects, fields, and relationships. There are two types of applications. There are two types of apps. What are the two apps? Standard apps and custom apps. What is the standard apps? Standard apps are nothing but by default Salesforce has been provided. You can able to see. Everyone able to see the sales console, service console. Everyone able to see. Everyone able to see these applications. My service journey. Everyone able to see
Yes.
it?
Yes.
These are the by default applications, app context ID. You can able to see initially. Okay, by default, the Salesforce has been provided. Okay, by default, the Salesforce has been provided all these particular things. Okay, by default, if you take the sales console, service console, by default, the Salesforce has been provided these applications. These are nothing but a standard application. Standard application is nothing but which is created by Salesforce. Either it's the client edition or whatever it may be, which is created by Salesforce. And coming to the custom apps are nothing but we need to create it based on client requirements. So in our today's class, I'm starting with our application. What is the first application name? University of Arizona. Okay. Just I'm going to set up. If you forgotten by seeing this screen, don't confuse. Just click on this icon and click on setup. Immediately navigate to this. From here, you can navigate to anywhere. Just there is setup icon. Just you need to click this. Everyone is clear with my point?
Yes.
Venkat, can you repeat again how to navigate this?
See, profile side icon. Setup. Okay. Mani, are you clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's start with the things. First, let's go to the app manager. Search for app manager. Everything I mentioned. Don't worry. Use these screenshots. Everything I mentioned. Click on new lightning app. University of Arizona. I think I'm giving this type of screenshots from past 3 batches. I hope so because I prepared it. Why I prepared it? Because so many people are confusing because these are configuration part. Development is coding. I'll provide you through documents, but some people are confusing. That is the reason I'm providing it. Okay, this type of document. This type prepared it. Just you need to upload the logo.
Nice.
You can
Okay.
download. You can download the logo. This particular logo from the Google. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Each and everything you can able to see. See, they mention accounts, opportunities, lead, case. Okay, let's place the same information. Okay, let's place the same information. Let's place leads. Okay, search. Okay, these are the standard. After the next part is objects only. This is the thing. Accounts, opportunities, contacts, lead,
Are these the fields or objects, Venkat?
objects,
Okay.
case. This time placing all the information one by one. Okay, I placed all the information one by one. Click on next. Okay, system admin can be able to access. Okay, search for system admin. For example, if you did
Is
not
by
given system admin,
default you have to select this like cases, counts like that, or I mean it's a list always when you create a
no,
new app.
the client will give you in the real time. The client will give you which objects you
Okay,
need to select in the application, which applications you need to display it, and we
sure,
can
sure.
create custom objects also. Our next step. Okay, and system admin. System admin. Okay, some applications have not been visible in the application. Just it will be from the app launcher, they will navigate it. Which objects they need to visible, everything they will give you the requirement. Profile, system admin. Okay. So here I'm selecting. For example, if you did not system admin means selected, you cannot able to access this type of application, whatever it was. That's why I'm selecting system admin. In the real time, which profiles you need to access. Okay, for example, if they did not given, you can ask it in the Jira comments which profiles this particular application need to access. Just we can ask it because the client don't know the profiles, everything. Some because they'll forget if they did not mention in the Jira ticket. You can mention these profiles. What are the profiles we need to access? Then they'll mention the profiles. Accordingly, you can select the profiles. Just I'm telling you idea. Okay, here I'm selecting system admin. The reason because system admin can be able to access this application. Fine. If we forgotten the system administrator, you cannot able to access the application. That's why I select the system admin. Everything I provided, you can able to see. Everyone able to see? I provided one by one. Everyone able to see?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Just let us click on save and finish. Save and finish. Yeah. Navigate from the app launches. So what is our application name? University of Arizona. This is our application. Okay. Yeah. This is our custom application. Anyone have any queries on creation of application?
We'll try once and get back.
Yes. After completion of the class, everyone need to try. Practicals are very important. Try to invest some time at initial stages. Practicals are very important.
Venkat, you just created this application, right? University of Arizona.
Hmm.
So why are we seeing Ramohan SFDC and Soumya SFDC here? Because I think we created it in the last class. So here
Which
in
one?
in, in,
Ah,
in
yes. These are the records. Records.
records, how come
Okay,
records
presented
got
in the
it?
object.
See,
Yeah, because we placed that particular object now.
okay. So
That
this is a
particular
new app.
record is stored in the object. Yeah.
So this is a new application. We haven't done anything into this application. So my doubt
Of
is,
course, but it's object wise, the records have been stored. That particular object we had been imported here. That's why it is presented, the records.
okay, okay.
Because record wise, we did not restricted. Okay, this profile they need to access, this user need to be accessed like that. Just object wise, that particular records had been created in the sales console application. The same object, custom object is same for every application. It is not different. Okay. This is standard object. Standard object is nothing but by default which are given by sales. So the next step is this one. Everyone able to understand the application? Can I proceed further?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Good. Let's go with objects. Don't worry by don't concentrate theoretical part. Theoretical part, I'll provide you the notepad files. And the next step is I'll provide module-wise interview questions. It has a clear, one by one clear things. Okay. Your first concentration is you need to do the most things on practical part because practicals are very, very important. Without practicals, nothing. Okay. Okay. Object represents a table which is used to store. Okay. Application or business specific data. Just it is a table. Okay. There are two types of objects. Standard objects and custom objects. Okay, there are two types of objects, standard objects and custom objects. What is the standard objects? Standard objects are nothing but by default, which is given by Salesforce. Okay. Based on the client requirements. Okay, like we have different types of standard objects like account, contact, opportunity, lead, etc. Custom objects. Custom objects are nothing but we need to create it as per the requirement. They will give you which custom objects we need to create. Like we need to create it as per the requirement, we need to create it. Custom objects are nothing but we need to create it. Okay. So in our process, we are creating, okay, like we are creating hiring manager, and I'll give you the assignments also. Position, candidate, like this, employee. Just let us create in real time. For example, if you are dealing with uh, insurance project. Anyone know ChatGPT AI tools? Anyone know ChatGPT AI tools?
Not to
Can
that
you
extent. Yeah, but not to that extent, Venkat.
okay, fine, fine. Normal this word, anyone listen ChatGPT?
Yeah,
And Copilot.
Yes, yes. Anyone listen this? Okay, okay, Ram Mohan, fine, got it. Sorry, I thought you are in Tolna, that's why I pinged you. Somya, Jewel.
Yeah. I've
Okay,
heard, but
so let's
not
see.
yet.
For policy, just I for insurance project, what are the custom objects? Just normal I'm mentioning. Okay, if you know prompts, how to give it, easily we can do our work. But we need to know at least the basic terms. See policy, claim. Everyone able to see policy holder, beneficiary. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Just I'm telling you, okay? And give me the relationships also. And give me the fields for each object. See, just normally, see, it is giving all the outline details. Similarly, let's create our the same thing. What we are doing similarly. Similarly, we are dealing with which object? University of Arizona application. Just I'm creating hiring manager object. Okay. Today I'm creating because there is a consultancy. Okay. So definitely without hiring manager, how they will hire the candidates? Is it correct? They provided this requirement. Yeah. Just now I'm creating the objects. After creating the objects, I need to place. I need to place that particular objects inside the application. Tab makes objects to be visible inside the application. Okay, tab makes objects to be visible inside the application. What is tabs? Okay, tab makes object, whatever the objects we created, it makes objects to be visible inside the application. Okay, tab. Let's create. What is object? Let's create an object. What is our object name? What is our object name?
hiring manager.
Yes, we are a hiring manager. Okay, we got this screen. Anyone can please help me? So I need to navigate now. I need to create. I'm forgetting. I need
Venkat,
to
I
do.
have a quick question. Sorry to
Yes,
interrupt
please.
you.
Yeah.
When we are creating the application, like app, so we
Hmm.
have selected certain objects, right? So now
Hmm.
you're showing us the custom objects.
Yes, I'm showing the custom objects. I will place these custom objects also in the same application.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I forgotten how to navigate. How to navigate, Soumya? Because I feel difficulty. This is my starting. How to navigate now? Anyone remember? Just I clicked on setup. If you're feeling forgot, just I told you setup. Do you remember everyone?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now let's create an object. Everything I mentioned you can able to see. Object creation. See, object manager. Create custom object. What is our object name?
University of no hiring manager.
Hiring manager.
Yeah.
Okay, just it's a plural label. Okay, just I'm enabling it. I'll ask you one thing. For example, you are into organization. Like everyone has an employee ID. Anyone sees this employee ID? Employee 1001, employee 1002, employee 100. It will be incremented automatically. For example, new person joined, employee 10456, employee 1057. Anyone observe this? Anyone
Yes.
observe this?
Yes.
Okay, so here it is an auto number automatically here in the Salesforce HR ID auto number. Okay, just the first record, just HR minus zero. Everything, the format, everything they will give you accordingly. You need to start the process. I'm saying, okay, it's not our own. What we need to do everything. Okay, just means starting HR record starting the HR minus 0001. Later on HR minus 0002 like this. It will be incremented. We need to allow this particular object in all these features. Just I'm enabling all the things. Just I'm enabling all the things. Okay. For this particular object, I'm enabling all the things. Click on save. Okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. You can see the recording and you can ask the queries if you have anything. Click on save. Okay. We need to make the tab. Just I'm taking this tab. Click on next. Click on next. Enabling this tab inside the application. What are the application name? What is the application name?
University of Arizona.
I'm including this tab in the university. Click on previous. See, just I'm selecting this tab style. Anything you can wish. Okay. Just I'm making all the profiles can be able to see it. Okay. Just I'm University of Arizona. Click save. Yeah. If you did not create a tab, okay, that particular object cannot be visible in the application. Okay? You can able to see tab. Everyone able to see? I provided step by step. For example, if you missed that step, okay, just go to home, search for tab. Once created, you cannot able to create once again the tab because you created it, you placed it, custom object tab. If you want means you can create, click on new. You created it, that's why you cannot able to see. I'm refreshing my screen. Yes, everyone able to see the hiring manager tab. That particular object is visible inside the application. Everyone able to see?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yes. So which means related accounts, opportunity, contact, cases, all these are also objects which we created at the time of
Custom object.
creating the app, right?
Yes. Now I created a custom object. I placed
Custom
this
app.
particular custom object inside our Arizona application.
Got it.
Okay. In real time, for example, you are dealing with incidents. Okay. Like this. Just I'm showing you. Okay. Give me the information for banking project. Same all details. Just I'm telling you. See how it is giving. Really AI use because you need to use effectively. Yeah. If you use effectively, it's very good. Everyone able to see? But you need to know, okay, if you observe this, you cannot able to get. But if you practiced, okay, in the real time, what we are dealing, then you'll get to know, okay, this is the thing, this is the terms. By attending the class, that's why I told you. Okay, you don't need to be pro. Okay, just if you practiced all the things, whatever it may be complete in the classes, definitely it will be enough. Even you are an experienced person also. Yeah.
Venkat, you did not mention anywhere in the chat GPT that it is a Salesforce one. So how come we can come
Because,
to a judgment?
yeah, because the reason is I'm doing so many charts from so many days onwards as a Salesforce.
Okay.
It
So, but when we
automatically
are doing
recognizes.
it initially, we have to specify for
Salesforce.
Salesforce. Okay.
Because I done so many charts from 1 year onwards, not only 6 months onwards.
Okay.
That's how automatically it's recognized. Okay.
Got it. Got it.
Okay, just I'm clicking on new. Okay, the record. You can able to see. Click on save. Everyone able to see HR minus 0001? Yeah. Okay, click on new. Click on save. Automatically the data is incrementing. Everyone able to see HR minus 0002. Yeah. HR minus. Everyone able to see automatically. I'm not doing anything. I'm not entering any data. Okay,
Yes.
automatically the IDs are incrementing. Everyone able to see IDs.
Yes.
IDs are nothing but unique one. IDs are nothing but a unique one. So everyone is clear on this. Still now whatever I discussed, it's clear. Object tabs and placing inside the application. Everyone. Yeah. Open your mic and please tell me. If you are clear means yes, it's clear. I need that particular word.
Yes,
No one
Venkat,
is
it's
speaking.
clear. No, no, it's clear.
No, Venkat.
2%.
So
Yes.
over here, 001, 002 is happening now. You're
Mm.
clicking on new, right? When you're clicking
That's
on
it.
new,
Click on new. Just I'm
mm,
creating a record.
okay, you're creating a record. So again, you can edit that, right? Like previous class, you can give contact number and all something like that.
Yes, yes. I need to create a fields. Wait for few minutes.
Okay. Sorry.
I
Yeah,
need to
thank you.
create a fields. The next step. I create an application. That's it. Nothing object. That's it. And the next step is we need to create a fields. Okay, what is a fields? Fields are the columns. Which is used to store the application or business specific data. Okay, there are two types of fields. Standard fields and custom fields. What is the standard fields? Standard fields are nothing but these are the ready-made fields provided by Salesforce by default. Example, ID, name, owner. Just these are by default when you create an object. Okay, just by default standard fields. And also, do you remember account, contact, opportunity? By default, there are some standard fields. Anyone remember? I think Amani, you missed the class. Just I created some records, lead conversion. These are all the by default fields. Amani, are you able to see? Ram, Mohan,
Yes.
everyone. By default fields which are provided by Salesforce.
Mhm.
And even when you created a custom object also, you can able to see. By default, some fields. Okay, just you can click on fields and relationships. Everyone able to see created by ID by default fields. Okay.
Okay.
These are all the by default fields. And coming to custom fields. Custom fields are nothing but we need to create it as per the requirements. They will create give you an fields. Okay, this, but you are not creating anything by your own. You are following the process and you are creating. Okay, as a developer, whatever it may be, that's it. You are not doing everything like on your own, the object names. will give you. Okay, just we need to create it. Let's follow how to create our object fields. Click on new. Yeah. Just okay, just I got this document, okay, from our client. What are the fields need to create? This particular document also I'll provide, don't worry. Okay, just I provided each and every fields. Everyone able to see the hiring manager object and fields? Everyone able to see?
Yes,
Everyone able
Venkat.
to observe this
Yeah,
document?
yeah.
Just normally, okay, casually, okay, you recruited some hiring manager. Just imagine what are the details are required for the hiring manager. Just normally,
Name,
okay, HR name, okay,
experience,
experience of the HR, okay, any other people? Just normally recruited some candidates, just whatever the things, just you imagine. HR email ID and HR phone number to contact that particular person and which location, okay, etc.
Contact information.
Hmm?
Contact information like
Contact information, yes, phone number or contact information, anything is fine. Okay, just let's start with the things. Hiring manager, let's start with HR name. HR name, it's a mandatory. Without this, how you can call that particular person? Definitely they need to fill HR name. It's a text, data type is text. You can able to see. There are 19 data types. Let's go one by one. Okay. Instead of discussing everything at starting. Everyone able to see text?
this.
yes.
Text. Yeah. Click on next. HR. This is the thing. Just day-to-day activities. Let's go. Anyone see that in HDFC bank only, in some specific banks, let's every time I'm discussing HDFC bank, just in some other banks, anyone observe that sometimes length is specifically they will not accept. For example, if you given 20 characters, 30 characters, more than that, it is not been accepted. Anyone observe?
Yeah,
The
yes.
data, the website cannot be able to accept because they given length. Okay, click on next. This is a required field because without this, if you enter the data, how you'll get to know? Okay, what's the name? Click on next. Click on
So this
next.
is nothing but we are creating the validations as well. Okay.
Later on, after relationships, the next process validation rules. First, we are creating fields. That's it. Our
Okay.
first step. Click save. Okay. Everyone able to say I created a field HR name. What is the field? HR. Everyone able to see? Yeah. Yeah, let's
Yes.
go one by one. Like a phone number. Everyone is understanding what I'm discussing.
Yes.
Soumya,
Hmm.
Soumya, is network connection now it's good. Okay. Okay, let's go. HR phone. Everything I mentioned here, you can able to see in the document. See what I can able to select everything. Process is same. The next one is phone. Click on new. Select. If you did not practice, I'm saying again, listening the classes, it's a waste of time. Everyone after completion of the class, maybe today, by tomorrow, and by before coming to the tomorrow class, you need to complete. Then only you'll get the things. Listening, you'll get only 10%. We'll think that okay, we got, but we'll not get. Listening will get only 10%. But whenever if you practice, then only you'll get 100%. Click next. Click save. What is the next field? HR email ID. Click new. Email. Click next. Okay, just I'm going one by one. Let's click on new. Same process, same process. Okay, designation, pick list. It means this particular person. Okay, signing for designation. It's a pick list. Where is pick list? Everyone able to see pick list? Pick list is nothing but, yeah, let's go to the account. Let's go to one of the record. Details. Everyone able to see the rating? Warm, hot, cold. These are nothing but pick list. Everyone able to see?
Yeah.
The same structure I'm creating for location.
So we need to create the pick list.
Yes, I'm creating the pick list now. And I'm mentioning the values. The next step. Click on next. I'm not making this as a required. Only HR name I'm making as a required. It's fine. Don't make every field as a required. I'm enabling this particular location for every profiles. Click on next. Click save. Okay, I created some fields. Now let's go other fields also. HR email I created. Yes. Okay, is deleted. Okay, means let's create. This is a checkbox field. Click on new. Anyone know checkbox? Everyone know I think so. Checkbox.
Yes.
Acknowledgement, yeah.
Yeah, just let us see in the pane once. I'm selecting. Just you can able to see through UI, then you can able to understand. I'll show through UI also. Is deleted. Click next. Enable the checkbox visible. Click next. Click save. Okay, I created is deleted checkbox. Next, click new. What is my next step? Location. I completed it. Number of location. This particular person is hiring for number of locations. Number of locations. It is a number field. Huh? Yes. Number. Click next. Just I'm using 18. Fine. Length 18. We cannot able to expect more than that. It's billions. 18. Number of locations. Everything I mentioned. You are able to see the fields. Everyone able to see the fields. I mentioned one by one. Everyone able to observe the fields.
Yes.
But in this week, you have some work. The next week onwards, you can practice whatever I teach in the class. But this week, everyone is ready now to invest some time. This week, you need to invest some time. The next week onwards, because you're completely new to the Salesforce, you need to difficult on navigations. And the next step is you have some work on object creations also. Everyone is ready with your work. Everyone is ready.
Yeah.
At initial, because you're in the starting stages, definitely this week you have work. I'm sure the next week onwards you cannot expect the same work. It is easy only. What are you done in the class? The same thing you can practice fine. But this week it's fine. You need to invest some time. HR skills. Click new. What is the field name? Text area.
It is little confusing, but once I see the interface, I think it'll be more clear.
Yeah, I'll show you. Wait. It's confused only. Just I'm creating the fields. That's it. Okay. Click on next. I'll show you the interface. Give me 1 minute. Click save. Just I'm creating an objects. Okay, experience. How much experience? Let's click new. Just it's a number field. Number. Click next. Yes, I'll show you the interface. 1 minute. Click next. Enable the checkbox visible. Click next. Click save. I created all the fields. Okay. Let's go to our application. If you're facing difficulty, how to navigate? Click on setup. What is our application name? What is our application name? University of Arizona. Yeah. What is our object? Hiring manager. Click new. Initially, because you created, because you are using free edition. Okay. You cannot able to see. Still relationships only. You need to log out and log in. Because when you're creating fields and page loaded starting, because you're in the using free edition. Let me try to copy it. Make password to store. At least every time we cannot. It's difficult now. Save. Application name, object, hiring manager, click new. Yes. Everyone able to see now? Joel, I think Joel.
Yeah, now it is clear.
Just I'm entering. Location. Everyone able to see the location? Click
Mhm.
list. Yeah. Number
Now
of
it makes
locations.
yeah
HR skill.
now it makes sense. Everything, all the
Yes.
dots cover.
Yes, yes. UI. 3 years. Just I'm making. Click save. Checkbox. This is a checkbox. Everyone able to see the checkbox?
So why did you name is deleted for checkbox? I didn't understand.
I'll tell you. Is related. Just I mentioned because to get to know familiarities of these data types, just I mentioned it. I'll tell you the
Okay,
use case.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
For example, the HR is not been presented. Okay. Like I want to delete this particular record, HR record, because there are lakhs of records. We don't have because it's a worldwide company. We have lakhs of HRs. Just imagine. The people is related is nothing but the people who are not in active, the people who are not in the current organization, then is related checkbox will be highlighted. Okay. Then we can read just normally I'm doing just I prepared a use case. Okay, we need to retrieve all the records every day 12 p.m. We need to run some batch. Okay, to retrieve all the records to hide means wherever this particular checkbox is available. For example, if you have 10 lakh HR records, among these 10 lakh HR records, I need to retrieve the records. The people is related checkbox is highlighted means that people who are it's not present in the organization is related. Then I can retrieve the records. I'm deleting that particular records. Means every time I'm refreshing the data and keeping up to date. You got my point?
Yes, now it's clear.
Yes. Just I created use case accordingly. In future classes, I'm going to mention that I created is related normally checkbox. Because to understand the use case, you need to be strong in all these basics. Okay. I told you, whatever things I discussed, definitely it will be helpful in the real time. See, like this only. Just I'll make you thoroughly, easily you can equip in the IT industry after complete. IT industry in terms Salesforce classes, whatever it Salesforce part when you're dealing any project, either it's e-commerce, insurance, banking, anything. Okay. This is the thing. Everyone is clear. Objects, creation, and placing tab. Everyone is clear.
Yes, Venkat.
The hiring manager I discussed. That's it. Position tomorrow I'll discuss and candidate I'm going to give assignments. Everyone is clear with this still now.
Yeah, Venkat, but just a quick question. Now, whatever you have created for journal and all, this is a record.
Mani, your voice is not clear.
Is it audible now?
Yes, please.
Yeah, everything is clear, but I have a quick question. Now, whatever you created for Joel, so this is a record or a like what should we name this?
This is a record. Record presented inside the object.
Okay. So we are like HR 0102.
These are
For
records.
these we are giving the values.
Records. Yes, these are the records.
Okay.
Like for example, if you go to bank, okay, you're a customer. Immediately, you have account and you have transactions. Multiple transactions are there. Multiple transactions are nothing but their records, which are presented inside the transaction object. Okay. For example, just imagine one health insurance company is there. In the health insurance company, you are taking some insurance, health insurance. Okay, like you, multiple people are taking. Joel is taking Joel record. Joel is a one record in the health insurance object. Like UR is a one record in the insurance object. In the Somi is one of the record in the insurance object. These are multiple records. Okay. With my point, Amani. Amani.
Yes, Venkat. Yes, yes.
You can able to say observe this. Just these are not in a structured format. I observed that fields. Okay, one by one it's placed. But my requirement is I need to place side by side. Just I need to make align this content. Let's go to page. Today I'm not creating a new page layout. I'm using existing page layout to enhance. Okay, I'm using existing page layout. It represents. Can I continue or can I stop? Can I continue?
Yeah, you can continue. And Venkat, I have a question.
Hmm.
So this is open that page, no one Salesforce page.
Okay.
So over here, uh, this is just one object, right? HR recruit. You want an HR recruitment a
Hmm.
person. So this
Hmm.
is one object in it. In
Hmm.
this, a lot of things can be there, right? As this is an university, new candidates data can be captured like this.
University of Origin is an application. Inside this, hiring manager is one of the object.
Can have multiple like this, right? I mean, lot of other things too, correct?
In free edition, 400 objects will be supported. In
Oh, okay,
unlimited edition, up to 2000 objects you can create it, but will not create 2000 objects. Just maybe we'll create up to 30. That's
got it. Yeah.
okay. It represents a set of graphical user interface, which allows us to interact with the object. By default, one page layout will be created. By default, one page layout is created. For example, if just I'm feeling difficult, what I need to do now? Anyone can please mention because I don't know. I'm new to this. What I need to do now? I need to want to go to the another screen. What I need to do? Anyone can help me?
The top right corner and click on, yeah,
Good.
yeah, setup.
What is my object name? Hiring manager.
Hiring manager.
Okay, let's go to the page layout. Everyone able to see page layout? Everyone able to see the page layout? Yeah. By default, this is a by default. Okay, just I'm placing one by one. HR phone, location, just I'm placing. Okay, just I'm creating all this. Okay, I'm
So,
placing one by one.
so there's a star mark near HR name. So
Mandatory.
yeah, mandatory field. Even in the layout, even in the original layout, also you'll see a star like this.
Yeah, we can. But HR skills. Are you able to say required? Just I'm not making. Just let's make and let's remove. See. Are you able to see? Star mark. Just if I remove it. Again. Click on save. I'll create a new layout also in tomorrow class. Okay. Just here I'm mentioning that's it. By default, this layout, I'm clicking on save. The same layout will be applicable here. Let's go to hiring manager. Refresh your screen. Click new. If you are unable to see, just initially in the page layout only, that's it. In upcoming, no need. Every time login and log. Still relationships, that's it. Later on data security, no need to log in and log out. Still relationships. Any difference you observed previous and now? Anyone
Yeah,
observed any difference?
previously all these options were towards the left side of the screen alone. Now I think the page layout is designed in such a way some of the information is in the left and equally it is distributed on the right side.
Exactly. Exactly. That's it. Just I'm making HR name. I'm making any of the name. Just I created. Okay. Fine. I think it's absolutely fine. This is about today's class. Just I created an object application fields and also I shown the page layout. I did not created any new page layout. Today class I discussed. Everyone I'm requesting try to complete all this particular part. Tomorrow I'm going to be discuss position object. Later on I'll give you assignments on candidate object, employee object, that particular things. Yeah.
So
This is
Venkat, it is
about
object application. Sorry, it was fields, objects, and applications, right? That's it. Today.
application object. Yes, I created application object tab fields and I shown the existing page layout. That's it.
Okay, done.
Okay. Yeah, okay, team. Thank you. This is about today's class, team. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye, everyone. I'm stopping the recording.